Hey guys! If you are looking for best electric air pumps, you choice right video. Today we are going to review top 5 best electric air pumps. After spending 2 weeks research, we make this list based on our personal preference and based on features, quality, prices, customers' reviews, and durability. If you want to know more information about product, you may check the link in description box. So now let's get started. Starting at number 5, Sweet Alice Electric Air Pump. The Sweet Alice Electric Air Pump also features 2 adapters. There's a 12V DC car power adapter as well as a 100V 240V AC power adapter. So, it's ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. The manufacturer has furnished this electric air pump for inflatable boats and trailer tires with 3 different nozzles. And these nozzles can fit almost any type of inflatable that you may have, be it an inflatable boat, airbed, trailer tire, air mattress, swimming ring, inflatable raft, or pool toy. Perhaps one of this unit's biggest selling points is its portability. It's sleek, lightweight, and compact. It also comes with a carrying bag, making it one of the most travel-friendly electric air pumps. If you own a river tube, inflatable kayak, or any other inflatable water vessel, then the Sweet Alice Electric Air Pump is just what you need. It works great, is easy to carry, and comes at a pocket-friendly price. Now our next choice is OutdoorMaster High Pressure Air Pump. The OutdoorMaster Shark 2 pump is a highly popular electric pump. And it's easy to see why. It's simple to use, fast, and highly reliable. Also, it's one of the most powerful electric air pumps for inflatable boats and trailer tires at this price range. This electric pump comes with everything that you will need to fill your boat or trailer tire with air. As we've pointed out above, this electric pump is easy to set up and use. You simply need to connect it to a power source, run the hose to the object you want to inflate, and switch it on. And you are all set. Also, it has been outfitted with an active cooling system, meaning you can inflate up to 3 objects in a row. And you don't have to worry about the device overheating and getting damaged. Heat is one of the major contributors to damage to electric air pumps. The OutdoorMaster Shark 2 comes with a full suite of nozzles. As much as it's mainly designed for inflatable paddleboards, it can also handle various other inflatables. It also features a 12V DC car connector, meaning you can also use it almost anywhere. Now number 3, Kensun Portable Air Compressor Pump. The name says it all. The Kensun Portable Air Compressor Pump is a versatile air compressor pump built for portability. While there is some heft to it at 4 pounds, this air compressor's rectangular design and carry handle make it convenient for transporting. On top of that, the Kensun Portable Air Compressor Pump also comes with a carry bag and built-in compartments for its nozzles, power cords, and other accessories. Its 2 power function, AC/DC, makes it ideal for home and travel use. Sticking to a tried and tested design, the Kensun Portable Air Compressor Pump is equipped with an analog pressure gauge with 3 different measurement units, kPa, bar, and PSI. While it is primarily a tire inflator, this high-pressure pump is ideal for a wide range of high-pressure inflatables, like tires, sports balls, and even your inflatable pool toys. As versatile as it is, however, one of the drawbacks of the Kensun Portable Air Compressor Pump is that it doesn't have an auto shut-off feature when the desired pressure is reached. And as its gauge isn't digital, it's also hard to see the pressure in the dark. There really isn't too much to nitpick about this air pump. We highly recommend it if you're looking for a high-pressure air pump that you can use both indoors and on the road. Now our next option is Etekcity Electric Air Pump. The Etekcity Electric Air Pump is a no-frills, affordable, and reliable air pump that, like the Agptek Quick Fill, offers a lot of bang for your buck. While primarily designed for inflating air mattresses, the Etekcity Electric Air Pump does come with 3 different sized nozzles that are compatible with a wide variety of inflatables. Aside from air beds, this air pump also does a decent job at inflating and deflating pool floats, swimming rings, and inflatable rafts. What really makes this air pump stand out is its unique sound insulation design. It's quieter than most air pumps in its price range, making it ideal for when you're inflating your air bed late at night. All that said, the Etekcity electric air pump does have some drawbacks. For starters, it doesn't come with a DC adapter for your car, so the air pump could only be used with an electrical plug. Moreover, as with other low-pressure air pumps, their adapters are not compatible with needle valves or stem valves. While we still think the Etekcity electric air pump is worth considering if you're looking for a basic use pump that's affordable, easy to use, and quiet, you can get a similar pump that you would be able to use in your car for about the same price. And our last product is Agptek electric air pump. The Agptek quick fill air pump is one of the best value for money electric air pumps on the market today. While none of its features are particularly innovative, what makes the Agptek quick fill air pump stand out from its peers is its serviceable build quality, its versatility, and its ease of use. Small and extremely lightweight, the Agptek quick fill air pump can be stashed quite literally anywhere: inside your hiking backpack, amongst other camping gear, inside a small car compartment, or in your favorite basement corner. The air pump also comes with both an AC 110, 120V, and DC 12V power adapters, making it ideal for indoor and outdoor use. The Agptek quick fill air pump can inflate a wide variety of inflatables in a matter of minutes, from air mattresses to inflatable furniture to toys. With a maximum air pressure of 0.5 psi, this air pump does have its limits. The Agptek is ideal only for low-pressure, high-volume inflatables. It's not designed to inflate flat tires, inflatable kayaks, and other high-pressure inflatables. Another drawback is that this air pump can only be used continuously for 15 minutes. If you're looking for an electric air pump that's affordable, lightweight, and inflates a wide variety of low-pressure inflatables, the Agptek quick fill air pump is worth considering. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.